Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw cartoons, and today I'd like to show you how to draw a profile of a character. Okay, this is going to look like sort of an egg shape. Actually, I better do it with this instead. But the egg shape for the profile has the point right here at the end. What the heck is that about? Here is the neck curving in. Here is the neck straight. So let's start with the eye. That'll give us our placement. This is a narrower eye than in the front view because the side view truncates it. Use a line here, guideline. We have to bring this forehead down right there because that's going to be the bridge of the nose right there. So this stuff no longer counts. No longer counts at all. Okay. And we'll give a little up twist to the nose like that. I'll do this over in black in a minute. So now we're way past this, so past it you can't believe it. And here is the bridge of the overbite of the lips. So the top lip further away from the bottom lip. Well, that's a little too close to the nose, so I'll bring it down just another bit. Okay, we'll bring this up a little so it comes here. See, it's got to invade because the ear is here, which means this is the jaw. Okay, whoops. Bring this down a little bit, bring it a little bit in. And we'll have some bangs that go over the eyebrows, go up to the back of the head where it's the tallest part of the head, and flops over straight and then down with a little curve. Bring it here, and we'll bring this in a little bit, just where that jaw is, like that. Now I think we can get this arrow off of my chin. Okay. Sorry about that. All right, so let's try this. Very slender shape for the eye. Flick the eyelashes up this way and nice and thick above and slightly thinner below. A little bit of eyelashes there too. A little line here for the crease, eyelid crease. Very long eyebrow, which helps the look. But don't let it touch the forehead. Forehead into the tip of the nose is one long line. See that? Now, for drawing the lips, you always start with the middle of the lips where they meet. Top one is thick, this is below it. See? Or rather than just go back by the rest of the shape, that'll make the chin look too shallow. Bring it out a little bit. And here is that neck connector, so a little shadow under that. Bring this out a little bit here too. And let's bring some hair unfinished, like that. Some bangs in front, really let them fall. And I'm going to make this straight because it's a cartoon, so I like to stylize it. Some of it, which you really can't make straight in real life, it's fun to have it look like that. Get a little style. And a few strands this way. Let's see, can I erase this or was that not possible? Not too possible. Let's just leave a little bit of shadow, eyeshadow here. A little bit of color on the lip. Why not? And some shadow just below the hair, falls on the head and in front of the strands of hair. Can even add a little indication of a nostril. Not too much. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that profile of a cartoon character and that you'll subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye.